Good afternoon, Mr. Monreal.
Good afternoon, sir. Thank you for having this opportunity.
Are you ready for your interview?
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Here's your first question. What does organizational culture mean to you? And how would you contribute to a positive culture in a workplace?
To me, organizational culture, it is the personality of the workplace. It's how people interact, communicate, and get things done together. I contribute by showing up a positive attitude, being respectful, and supporting my teammates. I also believe in open communication and recognizing people's efforts, which will help a strong, healthy team culture.
Second question. As an employee, how would you handle a situation where you witness unethical behavior in the workplace?
I believe in doing the right thing, even if it's uncomfortable. If I saw something unethical, I'd make sure I understand the situation clearly and then follow the proper steps, whether that's taking to a manager or reporting it to an HR. I'd want to make sure that issue is handled professionally and fairly.
Third question. Imagine you are asked to lead a project with a tight deadline and an uncooperative team. How would you approach the situation?
First of all, I take a step back and try to understand why the team is uncooperative. Maybe the overwhelmed or unclear about the goals. I talk to the rebuild trust. I talk and get their input and try to rebuild trust and motivation. Then I set clear expectations, break the works into manageable parts, and check regularly to get things on track. Staying calm and solution focused is the key.
Fourth question. What does employee engagement mean to you? And how can it benefit an organization?
To me, employee engagement it is when people are genuinely involved and enthusiastic about their work. When employees feel valued and heard, they give their best and energy that can lift the whole team. It leads to better results, less turnover, and more positive environment overall.